What's up, Internet? Matt down here at Redwater Dodge, home of the Rig Ready Rams. We get a lot of questions. What does Rig Ready mean here at the store? So basically what that means is back in 2013, sitting around a fire, we came up with this whole Rig Ready Ram thing to build trucks for the oil field. So that's actually how it came about. So what that means is a couple different ways. For example, this truck. We've put a leveling kit in it. Had it wrapped, so we got it off the ground, nice wheels. So this is more of like a show truck, you know, for going to shows in the city, just driving around, etc. The next thing and where it originated from is the Rig Ready Rams, is building them for the oil field. So not only are we putting the best components in them, so that's the best wheels, flares, tires, suspension. We're putting dual stabilizer in them, so just it handles the oil field, etc. The same guy has been building these since 2013, so it's not like we got apprentices building them in the shop. We actually have a qualified journeyman mechanic, and that's all he does for you guys, is build them in the shop. It's all he does. Any questions further on that, guys? 780-942-3629.